This video is to demonstrate how you can log in as a user on a domain associated with your email. And once logged in, sign into your shared group mailbox. Once you're logged in, click on Outlook. And you'll notice that you don't see your group. In which case, you will have to click over on your right where you see your initials of your user profile and click on Open Mailbox, another mailbox, and then begin the search for the group that you're associated with. Click on Open. From here, you will see artwork, and you can create a new email, and in the upper right corner, click on the three buttons for more actions and show the from, and there you can choose, if you need to, which email it's being sent from. You will be able to send and receive from that email in this manner.